Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transit. This is a quick walk around video to show you one of our latest vehicles. So here we have a Ford Transit 350. This is a chassis cab, L4, so extended wheelbase, fitted with a traffic management body on the back. Dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive, 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox. Factory painted, frozen white, delivery mileage only, and fitted with cab air conditioning. So FM, AM, DAB radio up in the cab. Gross train mass 5,550 kilo. This van comes fitted with a tow bar. .2 meters of load length. Alloy body with drop down panels. And 8 internal lashing points. So then grab handles and step access, full arrest bars and all the appropriate lighting. So 2 rear working lights, rooftop mounted beacon. Rear LED work lights on the back and on the front grille. Here we can see the tow bar and the rear view camera. 500 kilo mesh tail lift. Again with appropriate lighting and beacons. And lashing points on the bulkhead. Roywood Transits can fit an upgraded driver security door lock. We can change that to a stainless steel one. Please ask for further information. So very easily operated lighting. And tail lift. And then very simple, up and down. Giving you access along the durable floor, again 4.2 meters. And now into the cab. One of the first things you spot is the rear view camera. Dual passenger seat with fold down table and under seat storage. And then driver's seat with armrest. Electric windows. Here are your headlights with automatic, sorry, not automatic, but your daytime running lights. Digital speedometer. And then voice activation when you've got your phone connected via USB or Bluetooth. So connect your phone up here. And your music is now displayed on this screen. Again, your contacts, so just say call John for example, and it will do that all through the van. In addition to your FM, AM, and DAB radio. So just down below you've got your manual air conditioning with quick clear and quick cool. So in conclusion, here we have a Ford Transit 350 chassis cab, so L4 extended wheelbase, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive, 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox, fitted with a traffic management body, so 500 kilo tail lift, drop down sides and all appropriate arrest bars, beacons and lighting. 4.2 meters at load length. If you have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.